Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a shoe review on some Nikes that are made from trash. I know that sounds weird, but they are actually made from recycled material. They are part of Nike's new Move to Zero initiative. And what they're doing is they are lowering their carbon footprint. And I think that's so commendable that they're doing that. And I want to say shout out to any company that is out there trying to lower their carbon footprint. I think all companies should do that. And if you are aiming to that, I think that's wonderful because there's so much trash in our landfills. So anytime you can do something with the trash and, like they say, one person's trash is another man's treasure. So I think that's awesome. So to me, this shoe is very iconic because of the global impact that it has. I think it's a really nice shoe. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and take this time to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. So let's get into it. So today I'm going to do a review on some Space Hippies. There's some new shoes I just got. They're called the Space Hippie 04. And I think that's just because they're the 4th generation and they are made by Nike. The colorway that I have is Cactus Flower Photon Dust. These shoes released December 8th in 2020. They released in all the big shoe stores like Foot Locker, Finish Line, all the shoe stores. And they retail for $130. I was able to use my discount, so definitely wherever you go to get the shoes, see if they give you a discount, and if they do, they should apply to these ones. So the thing I really liked about the Space Hippies is they came in this eco-friendly box. It's not really big. It really just fit the shoes in here. It's just big enough for that. It doesn't have the paper like most tennis shoe boxes have. So I really appreciated that because that also helps cut down on the carbon footprint. And the cool thing about these shoes is they're made from recycled material. I really love the box, and it's basically Nike Trash Transform. So what they did was they used recycled material from t-shirts, bottles, and yarn, and it really just helped reduce the carbon footprint. So they are moving to zero. I thought that was so cool. So the upper of the shoe is fly knit material and it's made from recycled yarn. I really like this colorway. It has purple and pink, but it's not too in your face. They have the nice Nike symbol on the side, followed up with the Nike on the back, the 04 on the tongue, and they have another Nike swoosh right on the top, front part. I get a lot of compliments. I have worn them out. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. It doesn't really matter. They are extremely comfortable to wear. They're really, really durable, and it doesn't even feel like you have any shoes on. They're so comfortable. I really just like the colors of them. I don't feel like you can go wrong with the purple and the pink. So definitely leave a comment and tell me what you guys think about this colorway. They have plenty of other colorways out there. Look them up online just in case you don't like the purple and the pink. I know they have black and creams and different colors. So the midsole of these shoes is kind of like the Nike React, but the difference is they're made out of recycled material. And if you look close, you can see the particles kind of from the Nike material, from the recycled material in the shoe. They kind of remind you of kind of like a track, how you can see the different particles when you go to a track, and they use all the different materials to kind of put it together and make it. So this just kind of, I hope you guys can see a good picture of it. This just kind of demonstrates that. But I really think it's hard. When I saw them at first, I was I don't know, those shoes are kind of weird, but they're really, really nice. And then when I read about them and I realized how much they're good for the environment, I was oh, I'm gonna buy them just because they're good for the environment. And I thought that was really, really good idea of Nike to do. Plus they're really, really dope shoes. Like I said, I get a lot of compliments with them. So I took some pictures with some different outfits on so you guys can kind of get a feel of what the shoes look like and how diverse they are. Like you can dress them up, you can dress them down, it doesn't matter. But with the pictures that I took, I hope they kind of capture how nice they really stand out and how nice the sole and the midsole is of the shoe. Like you really can tell with, especially with the skirt that I have on and the jogging pants that I have on, you really can see how good it stands out and how nice they look. Yeah, I'm not really like a big sneakerhead, so I don't know a lot about shoes and everything, but I know I really like this shoe and I really appreciate Nike for making shoes like these out of recycled material and lowering the carbon footprint that they have, or you know, that we have on the world. I really like this shoe. I really would recommend this shoe for anybody. And like I said, if you don't like this colorway, they have plenty of other colorways out there. They do have these in high tops. The high tops are hard. And the cool thing about the high top ones are they don't actually lace up. They have like a little thing on the side, and that's what kind of makes them tighter or looser. But definitely check out the high top ones. I'm gonna try to cop a pair. They have some new ones that are supposed to be releasing in January, and they are the high top ones. If I'm able to get them, I'll definitely do a review on them. But leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about these shoes, if you like them, if you don't, if you think that that's something cool that Nike is doing and you really appreciate the commitment that they're making for our earth. Definitely leave a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Deuces.